Hey guys, I'm doing another short styles analysis because the first one was watched by a lot of people. 250 people, and I love that because I never thought it would someone would play it. So thank you so much. So the second part of my analysis is actually, if you think about it, Dylan O'Brien was, I think, 17 or 18 when he auditioned for Teen Wolf, and I think he was the baby of the cast. And it was very interesting because he had a YouTube channel and he was noticed by the Teen Wolf crew because of his Teen Wolf channel, and he actually sent out a lot of applications for him to go to acting school, but all of them rejected him. But instead, he straight up went into auditioning to having a role in a TV series, something that people dream of doing. It, they go to school, pay a lot of money, tuitions, loans, and everything, and he just got it. And the thing is that he doesn't need the training because he's so fucking good, and I can't stress this enough. I mean, Voight Styles, I just can't get over this role. I love him in this, the Maze Runner, I love Another Monsters, even a New Girl episode. I love that. I'm a huge Styles stan. So yes, and it was very fantastic to watch his career blossom. Something else that I think makes his entire acting very organic and very natural and very raw is that he didn't exactly have someone say to him, go to class, find inspiration, read this play, do that, do this. It all came very natural to him because I don't know if it had, but that's how it looks on screen when you watch him.